Hello everybody, we are from Scoot. We will present about our company. Our company name is Scoots and this is our company logo. Scoots is a bicycle manufacturing company with innovative design and focus on bicycle sales. And this is our vision and mission. This is our team. My name is Rifda as President Overall Leadership.
Hello, my name is Fibrilia Azzahra as a Vice President Accounting and Finance.
Hi, my name is Anggreni as Vice President of Manufacturing.
Hello, my name is Naura as Vice President of Marketing Manager.
Hello, my name is Nurin Jarantika as Vice President Human Resource.
Hi, my name is Maulidina Putri as Vice President Sales Management.
This is our brand name. On the recreation bike segment, there are RABLE and RABLE Pro, and in the speed bike segment, there is FASTLE. The next is about review of financial market performance during the past 3 quarters. The result of our balance scorecard from quarter 2 to quarter 3 increased by 0.24, which means Scoots company managed to improve performance in the market and financial field. And the next is cumulative balance scorecard. The performance result of the cumulative balance scorecard of our company has increased, but the resulting value is still low by 0. Therefore, our company needs a stronger strategy to improve the performance of the cumulative balance scorecard.
So here is the financial performance. Based on the graph list on the slides, its company financial performance in the first to second quarter decreased, but in the second to third quarter has been improved. This happens because we raise the selling price of the product so that the revenue earned is greater than the total expenditure of the company.
The next is market performance. The result of market performance at Scoot companies are still low because from quarter 2 to quarter 3, still experiencing stock outs. Thus, we need to increase human resource to increase the productivity of our company in order to avoid stock out.
This is the data about our demand. Here are demand from Scots companies and competitor companies. Based on the data, the demand we determine is lower than the competitor companies because our fixed capacity is only 1. So, our company needs to increase fixed capacity to increase total demand.
And then, as you can see in the slide, here's our company's brand assessment of competitors in the recreation segmentation, that we reached 76 points, and in speed segmentation we reached 74 points. This proves that our products are sufficient.
Here is an accompanied judgment of company compared to competitor companies on recreation big segmentation that we reached 74 point and the speed segmentation we reached 77 point. This proves that our products are worth it. And then we decided to expand to Amsterdam because in recreation segmentation in Amsterdam has the highest potential demand, while in speed segmentation Amsterdam has the second highest in potential demand. About the price, here is the price of product in our company and competitor companies in recreation and speed segmentation with a value of 100. This proves that the price of the product we specify is lower than the price willing to pay.
Based on the advanced balance scorecard on the slide, Scott has an advantage in investment in future and manufacturing productivity. Based on the advanced balance scorecard in slide, Scott has weakness in market performance and asset management.
And then, as you can see on the previous slide, there are any major problems and opportunities to be dealt with in the next 3 quarters. The threats from our company are total performance, financial, and the opportunities are marketing effectiveness, wealth, and human resource.
And then marketing strategy. The first is market size. Focus on large, highly competitive segments. The second, geographic market. Focus on geographic market which are middle of the cost or size continuum. The third is competitive posture. Build a market position and defend it. The next, take the lead and keep it. Next, be the leader in all things. Next, attack the competition on their home ground. And the last, distinctive competencies. Be the market share leader. The next, be the technology leader. And the next, be the high service provider in the market.
It is about sales channel strategy. In the reason of our RABLE Pro sells higher than FASTLE because recreation is our first priority segment and our company is having stock out because our worker productivity is still low. We will improve the level of worker productivity and get a lot of profit without having shortage and excess stock.
Human resource compensation, sales, and production. Sales. We know that our productivity is usually low, so we need to increase worker productivity by increasing compensation. Production. Even though our company satisfaction is the highest compared to other companies, it is still low, so we need to increase worker productivity by increasing compensation.
Hmm.
And there are two strategies in the manufacturing that we can improve. As you can see in the slide, our manufacturing strategy for quarter 4 to 6 is to increase fixed capacity up to 32 units per day to increase company demand. We didn't use overtime because it can reduce productivity levels. And the second is manufacturing strategy. Productivity of human resources in the manufacturing section. Our company has high satisfaction compared to other companies, but this is still low. So for the next quarter, we need to increase worker productivity by increasing workers' compensation.
So here is the financial strategy. Based on the financial performance data, the net profit is still negative. This is because the operating profit is also negative, which is the total expenses is greater than the gross profit. Therefore, in the future, we need to increase gross profit so that it is greater than total expenses by reducing expenses and increasing profits. So the next is financial request. First is about amount of money being sought that equal to 2,500,000 dollars that will be used to design new and modify brand, design new and modify ads, enlarge production capacity, addition to fixed capacity, and the last is R&D investment with harvest and annual. Second is about project ROI at the end of quarter 6. The data above can be used to measure the efficiency of working capital use, production efficiency, and efficiency of the sales section. The ROI can be also compared to other competitors' companies, so it can be known whether our company is below, equal, or above average. ROI can be used as a basis for decision making if the company will hold an expansion. And the last is desired stock price and share of company being offered. As you can see on the slide, it shows that the desired stock price is 100 and share offered as much as 25,000 shares. Next. So here is the pro forma cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. This data is the pro forma cash flow of our company. We hope that our company will get a large cash ending, which is a company's profit, and it can be used to expand the company's market share. This data is the pro forma balance sheet of our company. The data shows the size of the company's deposit, long-term asset, debt, and equity.
Okay, and the next is pro forma income statement of our company. From this data, our company spends money on R&D, where it is possible that it will show a large negative income this quarter. However, this is still acceptable. From this data, there is also earning per share data, which is a financial ratio that measures the amount of net income earning per share outstanding.
And there our company's tactical plan for quarter 4, 5, and 6. This tactical plan is used to map the company's tactics to the future. In this capacity, it will be used in conjunction with the preparation of business plans and pro forma financial reports.
Okay, that's the Scotch group presentation. We will open the question and answer session with 4 opportunities to ask question. Do you have anything to ask?
Hello, my name is Iqbal Ramadan from Naura. I want to ask some question to uh, in the sales channel strategy section. There are three brands. Why there are no sales in the Rebel brands and instead sell your new brand Rebel Pro, even though Rebel is bicycle in the first segmentation and Rebel is a lower brand class than Rebel Pro. Thank you.
Thanks for your question. I'm Maulidina from Scoot. I'll try to answer your question. The Rebel product has a value in the brand judgment below 70. It means the product can be accepted in the market. If we insist producing this product, our company will suffer loss because the product is not eligible for market share. And we plan to modify the brand Rebel in the sixth quarter to increase brand judgment so it can be accepted by market share and can generate high demand.
Okay, thank you Iqbal Ramadan for the question. Is there any more question?
Hello, I'm Fani Ali from Vice President of Sales Management Harvest Company, and I want to ask some question. In overtime capacity, why your company didn't give the workers overtime, even though, as you explained earlier, your company is experiencing stock out.
Well, thanks for the question. We'll try to answer your question about overtime capacity. So we don't add overtime capacity because overtime capacity can decrease the productivity of workers. Therefore, to overcome the stock out, we seek to continuously increase productivity by adding compensation.
Thank you Fania Ali for the question. Is there any more question?
I want to ask one more question. Okay. In the R&D investment section, why your company choose a carbon fiberizer in the recreation segment for brand future R&D project? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the question. We will try to answer the question. Well, we choose brand filter R&D project in the form of carbon fiberizer in recreation segmentation because the filter is also used in some other competitor. So it has great potential for our company.
Okay, thank you Iqbal Ramadan for the question. Is there any more question?
Hello, I'm Cindy Hesti from Vice President of Finance and Accounting Harvest Company. I want to ask some question. In the R&D investment section, why did your company choose like very fast racing in the speed segmentation on brand future R&D project?
Thanks for the question. Well, we will try to answer the question because brand future R&D projects in the form of slick very fast rushing on speed segmentation because the tools are also used in some other competitors, so it has great potential for our company where the tools must be used in speed segmentation.
Okay, well, because there are already 4 questions, our question and answer session is closed. That's all the presentation from the Scoots company. Thank you for your attention and apologies if there are words or deeds. Thank you.